Hello everyone, my name is Harsh and today we will be looking at these two questions. The first one is what is Docker and next one is why do we need Docker. So before diving into what is Docker, let's dive into why do we need Docker. So let's take an example in which we will be installing a software in our system. So for installing a software in our systems, we need to follow some certain steps. So first we are going to download that particular installer, we are going to run that particular installer. Say some error comes while installation procedure, then we are going to troubleshoot that particular issue because of what setup and dependency that particular error came, and we are going to fix those issues. Then after that we are again going to rerun that particular installer. Say again some error comes because of some other setup and dependencies, then again we are going to troubleshoot it, and again we are going to fix it, and again we are going to run the particular installer. So as you can see, installing a particular software in our system is not an easy task for a developer. So before installation of a particular software, installing a particular software in your systems, a developer should know what are the setup and dependencies that are required for a particular for that particular software. So what Docker fixes here? So Docker makes things easy to install and run software on our system without caring about the setup and dependencies. So let's take an example of installing Aerospike in our system. So first we will go to the installation page of Aerospike. Cool. So we are here. So now we can see here that we have to download this particular installer from Aerospike repository using wget command. So I will be copying this one, I will be opening this particular terminal and I will be executing this particular command. So now as you can see here, so while I tried to execute that particular command, so while following these particular steps to install a software in my system, so I got an error. So the error tells wget command is not present in your system. So for that I need to download some packages. So what I will do is that now I will go and I will download that particular packages that contains the wget command. So after downloading those packages, then again I will go with the rerunning of the installer. So as you can see, it's not an easy task. So we need to follow a lot of steps. What Docker fixes here is that, so I need a simple single command, so that will be running the Aerospike in my system. So I will run sudo docker run Aerospike. That's it. This particular command, single command, will run the Aerospike in my system. So in the next video we will be looking at what is Docker. Till then, enjoy Docker. Thank you.